Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili in a slow cooker. First, brown 1.5 pounds of ground beef or turkey in a skillet over medium heat. This crucial step adds a rich, savory base to your chili. Once the meat is fully cooked, make sure to drain any excess fat. This keeps your chili from being too greasy and ensures a delicious, hearty texture. It's a simple start to a fantastic meal. Now, transfer your perfectly browned meat into the slow cooker. Next, add 2 large cans of diced tomatoes, undrained, and 1 can of kidney beans, rinsed and drained. Don't forget 1 can of black beans, also rinsed and drained, and 1 can of plain tomato sauce. These ingredients form the core of your chili, providing a robust and satisfying foundation for the flavors to meld together beautifully. Time to add the magic. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Give everything a good stir to combine all the wonderful flavors. Cover your slow cooker and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to deepen beautifully. Once your chili has finished cooking, give it a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and heated through. Ladle generous portions into bowls. Now for the fun part, garnishing. Top your chili with shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh green onions. Serve it hot with a side of warm cornbread or crunchy crackers for a truly comforting meal. Enjoy your delicious homemade chili.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.